Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today's problem is capital A represents the dominant allele and lowercase a represent the recessive allele of a pair. If in 1000 offspring, 500 are homozygous recessive and 500 are of the same other genotype, which of the following are the most probably the genotypes of the parents? Let's start with the end of this list. Of course, if we cross one parent who is homozygous recessive with another parent who is homozygous recessive, 100% of the progeny are going to be of the genotype small a. And if we cross one parent who is homozygous dominant and another is homozygous recessive, then 100% of the progeny are going to be heterozygous genotype. And when we cross one parent who is homozygous dominant and another who is heterozygous, in this case we are going to get 50% of the progeny who is going to be homozygous dominant and another 50% of the progeny who is going to be heterozygous. And if we cross parents, one which is heterozygous and one which is homozygous recessive, in this case 50% of the progeny are going to be of the heterozygous genotype and another 50% of the progeny are going to be homozygous recessive. And this is what we are looking for. Take a look. If in 1000 offspring 500 or 50% are homozygous recessive and 500 or another 50% are of the same other genotype, so this is going to be our answer. But let's check the last variant. So if we cross two parents who is going to be heterozygous, in this case we are going to get 25% of the progeny who is going to be homozygous dominant. We are going to get 50% of the progeny who is going to be heterozygous and 25% of the progeny who is going to be homozygous recessive. You can check all my answers if you build simple Punnett square. For example, let me do it for variant B. One parent is heterozygous and another parent is homozygous recessive. And when we build simple Punnett square, we can find ratio of the genotypes in the progeny. Take a look. Capital A, small a here, capital A, small a here, small a, small a, small a, small a. So we have 50% of the progeny who is going to be heterozygous, so 50%, and another 50% the progeny who is going to be homozygous recessive. And this is going to be our answer today. Again, you can check any other crosses just by building simple Punnett square. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.